Hello,
Hello
everyone.
everyone. Welcome to Daily Life Smart English. My name is Alice.
And I am Harry.
Today's topic is talking about local food in Vietnam.
If this is your first time watching our videos, don't forget to subscribe the channel, like this video, and turn on the notification for future videos.
Local food is often one of the best ways to understand a country and its culture. But when talking about food in English, many people feel unsure about how to describe flavors, ingredients, or even their personal preferences. In this video, you'll listen to a natural daily conversation about local food in Vietnam and how to talk about it clearly in English. Follow along and practice with me. And in just 10 minutes, you'll sound more natural and confident when talking about food. My name is Alice, and today I'll be sharing my experience with local Vietnamese food. Harry will be asking questions and guiding the conversation. This lesson is perfect for background listening. You can listen while working, walking, or relaxing. At the end of the video, we'll practice key sentences together. Before we begin, please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue creating quality English practice content. Now let's get started.
Hi, Alice. How's your trip in Vietnam been so far?
Hi, Harry. It's been great, actually. I've really been enjoying my time here.
That's good to hear. Have you been able to travel around much?
A little. I've been walking around the city, visiting local areas, and just observing daily life.
That sounds nice. What do you like most about Vietnam so far?
I think it's the atmosphere. Everything feels lively, but at the same time very welcoming.
I felt the same way when I visited. How about the food? Have you tried many local dishes?
Yes, definitely. Trying local food has been one of the highlights of the trip.
Same here. Vietnamese food is quite famous. How would you describe it?
I'd say it's fresh, flavorful, and well-balanced. I like how herbs and vegetables are always part of the meal.
Have you tried pho yet?
Yes, pho was actually one of the first dishes I tried.
What did you think of it?
I was surprised by how light the broth was, but it was still very rich and comforting.
Exactly. For me, pho feels perfect in the morning or on a rainy day.
I agree. It's very soothing.
What about banh mi?
I love banh mi. The bread is crispy and the filling is simple but full of flavor.
Same here. I like that it's quick, affordable, and easy to find.
Yes, and it's very convenient when you're traveling.
Ah, have you tried bún bò Huế? It's like a hidden gem. It's not as popular as pho with tourists, but it has so much character.
I agree. I didn't hear much about it before coming here. But luckily, I have tried one before going home, and the flavor is very different. The broth is richer, a bit spicy, and very memorable.
Right? I feel exactly the same. Overall, would you recommend Vietnam to first-time visitors?
Absolutely. The people, the food, and the atmosphere make it a wonderful place to visit. Now, let's practice key sentences from the conversation. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Trying local food has been one of the highlights of the trip. I'd say it's fresh, flavorful, and well-balanced. I was surprised by how light the broth was. The bread is crispy and the filling is simple but full of flavor. You know, bún bò Huế is kind of a hidden gem. It's much bolder and more intense. It's not something I'd eat every day, but when I want something strong, it's perfect. Great work! These sentences will help you talk more confidently about local food and culture in English. Try shadowing them again later today while doing something else. See you in the next lesson!